Is that your daddy?
Over here.
Over here.
Over here, where? Oh, kiss your daddy. Kiss your daddy. Oh, this is my ate.
My mommy.
Where?
This is my mom. This is my auntie.
This is
We are family.
We are family.
Hi.
Family.
Yes.
Whoa, that's us. That's daddy. This is Anya. And this is Anya's plate. Where? This is Anya's plate.
And this is Hannah's plate.
Yeah, that's Ate Anya's plate. Ganyan gagayahin ka ng kapatid mo. What is this?
It's finger hopper.
Tingle hopper, no. This is fork. Tingnan mo, ano kasi Ariel? Tingle hopper. And what is this? Spoon.
Good Jaya.
Kutsara. Spaniard.
I got food here.
Yeah, put ka ng food
Yeah.
dyan. Mamaya,
Wait
wait lang
natin yung
natin.
food mo, ha?
Kasi ito lang nila.
Favorite, crispy.
Your favorite?
Kanin, crispy kanin.
Kanin. Wow. Is it masarap? Is it masarap? Pabos daw ito dito. Yan. Saging yung masarap.
Anya, oh. Crispy kanin.
Kumigo ka na ka kasi
Sabaw, you want?
pag pumapasok ka sa school,
No.
yung pagkain mo, mga prito lang eh. Ha?
Sabaw, sabaw, sabaw.
Para at least yan.
Oo, sabaw. Bago crispy fries. Crispy chicken. Very good, mommy.
Wow! Wow!
Crispy fries.
Wow, good job! Si Ate Ellie. Wala ka problema. Bibigyan na ng pagkain. Sarap ni? Okay. Yung loob
Can you have
ng
some more?
No, some more? Oo, parang malambot. Ha? Malinamnam.
Gusto mo niyo tikman?
Bakit? Mataas lang kasi ata siya yan eh.
Is it my pig? Ah!
Oo, ganun. Kaya parang ayaw mo mag-lift. Iyo.
Kaya pala po.
Okay, diba? Ilan may break? Sabay ka lang.